We're the Munsters.
We went to sleep many years ago, and we woke up with a brand new show. We're the Munsters.
We're the Munsters.
Hooray!
All right, Eddie, now once again, from the top. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. That was beautiful. Practice does make perfect. All right, dear, one more time.
Give it up.
Go ahead, dear.
All right, Mom, I'm in a groove.
Remember, it's la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Oh, Eddie, that was wonderful. I don't understand your music teacher at all. I love your voice.
Well, you're my mom. Mr. Porter's giving me 2 days to improve, or I'm out of the Glee Club. Oh! Oh!
Hi, Aunt Lily. Hi, Eddie. Bye, Aunt Lily. Bye, Eddie. I'm off to the art gallery.
Oh, good for you. That's the 3rd time this week, isn't it? I had no idea you had such an interest in art, Marilyn.
Who's interested in art? Do you know how many cute guys there are in the Art Appreciation Society?
Well, you go ahead, dear, and appreciate whatever you want to appreciate. But please be careful, dear. You don't know how many weirdos there are prowling the streets.
Everybody down! Close your eyes, cover your heads, and hope they go away.
Why are we doing this?
You don't know?
No.
You've got to protect yourself these days. Lily, open your eyes and look at this. There's been another neighborhood robbery.
Oh, dear. That's terrible. Not everyone is as upstanding as we are. Irvin, now can we stand up?
No! Let me make one final check. Uh-huh. I'm in the tub. Okay, I guess it's safe now. Listen to this. My boss, Mr. Goodberry, had his hearse stolen on 8th Street. They found it on 9th Street. The coffin on 10th Street. And between 11th and 15th Street, they found various...
Oh, dear. Oh, I wish there was something we could do about it.
There is.
Yes, there is.
There is?
If Pop says there is, there is.
Thanks, Eddie. Now listen. If you love your family, learn how to protect them. It's in your hands. Learn Kung Fu. Call 555-CHOP.
Kung Fu? When I thought you hated violence, Uncle Herman.
Breaking arms and legs with Kung Fu is self-defense, not violence.
Well, you're not going now, are you?
The ad says if I sign up today, I get a free uniform.
Well, I'm off to the art gallery.
Not alone, you're not. I'm going with you all the way. Okay, you bad guys, stand back. We're coming out. Ladies first.
Well, come on, Eddie. Let's get back to our singing.
Open wide, please. Eddie, exactly what did your music teacher say?
Well, he said he'd rather be a speed bump at a drive-thru restaurant than to have me in a Glee Club.
Jealousy does that to people.
But you can make me sing, right? Just like everybody else?
I helped Elvis Presley. I should be able to help you.
You helped Elvis?
When I discovered Elvis, he was bagging groceries in a Memphis A&P. One zap from my energized oscillator, and his lips started twitching. His hips started wiggling. 2 hours later, he was standing in a recording studio singing You Ain't Nothing But a Hush Puppy.
Hound dog.
Whatever.
Are you gonna have to go all out to help me? I've only got 2 days before.
In 2 days, I could make my Rat Stanley sound like the Mormon Tabernacle Choir. Now, who do you want to sound like? Rudy Valley? Jerry Vale? Jim Neighbors?
Well, you know, it's gotta be a hip sound. You know, a today sound. Ow, a happening sound.
Leave it to me, kid. I'm gonna make you sound as hip as the Grateful Dead, may they rest in peace. Oh, I hope I don't have to do a root canal here. Oh, don't be a sissy.
Okay, class, line up, please.
This could be the place.
Can I help you?
I'm Herman Munster. I want to sign up for your class. I need to learn how to protect my family.
You need help protecting your family? Where do you live? In a minefield?
I'm very worried about the violence today. I read your ad and I want to sign up today. I want my free uniform.
I don't know if we have a 73 extra. Why? But take off your shoes and we'll start the class.
Okay. Do you have a screwdriver?
Never mind. For the moment, Munster, please stand over there. Hup. Hi. Welcome, class. I'm Mr. Higashigawa. Let us begin. Everyone pair up. Everyone have a partner?
No, sir, I don't.
One of you have to be this man's opponent. Forget partners. Instead, we demonstrate stands. Ich, ni, san, shi. Now, you try it.
Itchy knee tee hee. I got it. Itchy knee tee hee.
助けて、許してくれよ。
Sorry.
Never mind. Today, we learn an important lesson. Strength doesn't come from muscles, but from channeling energy. We do this by using a traditional Japanese yell. Please watch and listen. Line up, please. Assume stance, please. Now yell, Munster.
Stop and identify yourself.
Well, it's me, Marilyn Munster.
Marilyn, stop. Oh, you nearly walked into my intruder trap. See? Now, first, the intruder enters. And then I ask who it is, just to make sure it is an intruder. If it is, then I yell for Spot, and Spot roasts him. But if they should happen to get past Spot, then they trip over my invisible rope and... Freddie makes them shorter.
Herman Munster. You're supposed to protect us, not behead us.
Oh, good. You're all here. I got a big surprise for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Grandpa Entertainment proudly presents the one, the only, the fabulous Eduardo.
I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee, and I'm going to Louisiana, there my true love for to see. I'm from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. It was dry. Also had a first to that, so then I don't you cry. From Alabama.
So, Marilyn, how was the gallery yesterday?
Oh, not so good.
Oh, what's the matter? I thought you were interested in art.
Well, I am. But he's going out with Betty.
Mom! Is Grandpa in his lab?
Yes, dear. Why? What is it?
I started to sing at school, and my voice still sounded like a broken CD player.
Don't worry, Eddie, your voice will change.
To what? There you are.
What's the matter, Eddie?
Look, here's what happened at the assembly today. My country, 'tis of this free land.
I'm sorry about that. Let's see what we can do to help you out over here, huh? Now, young man, what's your pleasure? We got your tenors, we got your altos, we got your basso profundo.
How about that?
This one? Okay, let's see. That's the death scene from Pagliacci. What a hoot.
Well, you are the only one.
Willie Nelson.
Come on, Grandpa, I need a voice by tomorrow. I'm out of the Glee Club.
Okay, now let me think. Just let me think. A little bit of this. And a little bit of this.
Grandpa, I don't know. It's not for me.
I give it an 83.5. It's easy to dance to.
Sorry. Hi, Mr. Meshuggah.
No, you, Michigana. Me, Higashigawa. Hajime.
Wait till you see the new holes I've been practicing at home. You're going to be very proud of me.
Ah! No holes tonight. Remember last night? Tonight we practice theory only.
Okay. Do I have to get a different uniform for that?
Just a thinking cap, Munster.
I've got a cap at home, but I don't think it does much thinking.
Why didn't I take the job at Benihana? Okay, Hajime.
Okay, let's start bashing.
No, Munster. No bashing.
Why not? I came here to learn how to protect my family.
That's right, Munster. Protect. The hands of a kung fu artist are lethal weapons. You do not use them frivolously in here.
Where can I use them frivolously?
Nowhere. Now let me give you an example when kung fu is appropriate. Suppose your wife and family are home alone tonight.
They are.
And suppose an armed burglar bursts into your home.
My home, 1313 Mockingbird Lane?
And suppose this burglar, this ruthless, awful thug, grabs your wife.
My wife, my Lily?
Your innocent wife and family.
My family, Eddie, Marilyn! What about Grandpa?
Oh, him too. And threatens to beat them up. That's when you step in and
I'm coming, Lily! Everybody, don't worry! I'm in my home!
one may shoot a monster.
Hello.
This couldn't be Marilyn's house, could it?
Yes, it could. I'm Marilyn's Aunt Lily.
We're in Maryland's Art Society. We just came by
To say that we'll be running along.
Oh, do come in. Please, I'll tell her you're here. Marilyn, some friends have dropped by.
Boy, is her aunt ever pale.
Well, what does she use? Sunblock 4000?
Hi, you guys. What are you doing here? You said you had some great things hanging on your walls.
And we kind of thought you meant paintings.
Yeah.
Here, girls, I thought you might like a snack. Try these, please. They're my famous mouse eyebrow sandwiches.
You just call them that, right?
What else would you call them?
I gotta go. My grandmother could be about to get sick.
Mine too.
My guru, the boat ashore. Oh, hallelujah. My guru, the boat ashore. Hallelujah. The sister help me trim the sail. Oh, hallelujah. The sister help me trim the sail. Oh, hallelujah. My guru, the boat ashore. Oh, hallelujah.
Don't worry, Lily, I'm here!
It's okay, they're not intruders.
They're not hurting you, Eddie?
No, Pop.
You mean they're not burglars?
No.
Oh. Gee, Mr. Higashi-Washi was right. You have to be very careful where you use these things.
The Herman, please. It would be much safer if you just joined the neighborhood watch.
Not for the people in the neighborhood watch.
If they're not intruders, who are they?
They're Marilyn's friends, you idiot.
Hi there, Marilyn's friends.
Hi.
Why were you trying to kill Eddie?
Honey, they weren't. Eddie was just singing for them.
Oh, Eddie, were you good?
No way, Pop. Whoa! I was bad. My guru, the boat ashore. Hallelujah.
I don't see what's so unusual about the way these new rock groups look. The policemen dressed like this in Transylvania.
I made it! I'm still in the Glee Club.
Oh, that That's wonderful, Eddie. Mr. Porter finally came to his senses.
That's my boy.
Yeah, the teacher said he didn't want me to sing with a Michael Jackson voice. He just wanted me to sing like I always did because I had something special to the Glee Club.
Why don't we all sing something together?
Oh, Michael, roll your boat ashore.
Oh, okay.
Michael, roll your boat ashore. Hallelujah! Michael, row your boat